Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change the default font in Excel. First, open Excel and click on the File tab located in the top left corner. From there, select Options at the bottom of the menu. This will open the Excel Options dialog box. Next, ensure you are in the General section, which is usually the default. Look for the When Creating New Workbooks area. Within the When Creating New Workbooks section, you will see options for use this as the default font and font size. Click the drop-down menu next to the font name to browse and select your preferred font, such as Calibri or Arial. Then, choose a suitable font size, perhaps 11 or 12 points, from its respective drop-down. Make sure these choices align with your needs. After selecting your new default font and size, click the OK button at the bottom right of the Excel Options dialog box to save your changes. It is crucial to completely close all open Excel workbooks and the application itself. Then, reopen Excel. This restart ensures that your newly chosen default font and size are properly applied to any new workbooks you create from now on. To verify your changes, open a brand new, blank Excel workbook. You should immediately see your chosen default font and size applied to all cells, particularly in cell A1. This confirms that your customization was successful. Remember, you can always revisit the Excel options to modify these settings again if your preferences change or if you wish to try a different font for your work.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.